Welcome to Gold Age Secrets, the podcast dedicated to helping you live a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life after 60. I'm James, and today we're talking about something that many older adults struggle with every single night: sleep. Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, unable to sleep no matter how tired you feel? Do you wake up multiple times, stare at the ceiling, or toss and turn for hours? Maybe you fall asleep easily, but wake up too early and can't get back to sleep. If any of this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many seniors experience sleep problems that can impact their overall well-being. Poor sleep can lead to memory issues, increased risk of heart disease, weakened immune function, and even a higher likelihood of falls and injuries. But here's the good news. Poor sleep is not just a part of aging that you have to accept. There are solutions, and today I'm going to share 10 proven practical strategies to help you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Before we begin, if you find this content valuable, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends who might need it, and subscribe to Gold Age Secrets. This channel is designed specifically for seniors in the U.S., helping you improve your health, stay active, and enjoy life to the fullest. Your support helps us continue bringing you science-backed, practical advice tailored to your needs. Now, let's dive into the reasons why sleep becomes harder as we age and how we can fix it one step at a time. Why sleep gets harder as we age. Before we talk about solutions, let's understand the problem. Why do so many seniors struggle with sleep? First, as we age, our bodies produce less melatonin, the hormone that helps us fall and stay asleep. This is one of the biggest reasons older adults find it harder to get deep, restful sleep. Second, health issues like arthritis, acid reflux, and sleep apnea can make sleeping uncomfortable or cause interruptions throughout the night. Third, frequent nighttime urination can break up deep sleep, leading to grogginess in the morning. Fourth, certain medications, including blood pressure pills, antidepressants, and even some pain relievers, can interfere with the body's natural sleep cycle. Fifth, our circadian rhythm changes with age, meaning you might feel sleepy earlier in the evening, but wake up too early in the morning before you've had enough rest. Good news? Every one of these problems has a solution. Let's go through them one by one and fix your sleep once and for all. Solution 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. The problem: an irregular sleep schedule confuses your body's internal clock, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up at the right times. The fix: set a regular bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. If your sleep schedule is all over the place, don't try to fix it all at once. Gradually adjust your bedtime by 15 minutes earlier each night until you reach the ideal time. Solution 2. Control light exposure. The problem: your body's sleep-wake cycle is controlled by light. Not getting enough sunlight during the day or getting too much artificial light at night can disrupt melatonin production. The fix: get at least 30 minutes of natural sunlight in the morning and avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. If you must use screens in the evening, try blue light blocking glasses or enable night mode on your phone and tablet. Solution 3. Limit caffeine and alcohol. The problem: many people don't realize that caffeine stays in your system for up to 8 hours. Even if you drink coffee in the afternoon, it could still affect you at bedtime. The fix: stop drinking coffee, tea, soda, or energy drinks after noon. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy, but it disrupts deep sleep, causing frequent awakenings. Try to limit alcohol in the evening. Solution 4. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. The problem: many people sleep in a room that's too bright, too noisy, or too hot. The fix: keep your bedroom cool, 65 degrees Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. Use blackout curtains, a white noise machine, and a comfortable mattress and pillows to improve sleep quality. Solution 5. Control your evening meals. The problem: eating heavy meals, spicy foods, or sugar close to bedtime can cause indigestion, acid reflux, and restless sleep. The fix: eat dinner at least 3 hours before bed and choose light, easily digestible foods. If you need a bedtime snack, try something sleep-friendly like a banana, almonds, or a small bowl of oatmeal. Solution 6. Manage nighttime bathroom trips. The problem: frequent urination interrupts deep sleep, making it harder to feel rested in the morning. The fix: reduce liquid intake 2 hours before bed and avoid diuretics like caffeine and alcohol in the evening. If this continues to be an issue, talk to your doctor about possible underlying conditions like an overactive bladder or prostate issues. Solution 7. Stay active during the day. The problem: a sedentary lifestyle leads to poor sleep, low energy, and increased stress. The fix: engage in at least 30 minutes of light exercise daily, such as walking, stretching, or yoga. However, avoid intense workouts within 3 hours of bedtime, as they can be too stimulating. Solution 8. Take short, early naps. The problem: long or late naps can interfere with nighttime sleep. The fix: if you need to nap, keep it under 30 minutes and before 3 p.m. If you feel sluggish in the afternoon, try stretching or taking a short walk instead of napping. Solution 9. Relax your mind before bed. The problem: stress and anxiety keep your mind active, making it hard to wind down. The fix: create a bedtime relaxation routine such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Solution 10. Seek medical help if necessary. The problem: sleep disorders like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and chronic insomnia may require medical attention. The fix: if you've tried these tips and still struggle with sleep, consult your doctor. Keep a sleep journal to track patterns and symptoms, which will help your doctor recommend the best treatment. We just covered 10 powerful sleep tips to help you get the best rest of your life. To recap, the 10 best ways to improve sleep after 60 are: 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. 2. Control light exposure. 3. Limit caffeine and alcohol. 4. Make your bedroom sleep-friendly. 5. Control your evening meals. 6. Manage nighttime bathroom trips. 7. Stay active. 8. Take short, early naps. 9. Relax your mind before bed. 10. Seek medical help if needed. If you found this podcast helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Gold Age Secrets. Your support helps this channel grow and allows us to bring you more life-changing content for seniors. Thanks for listening, and until next time, sleep well and stay healthy.